Hi, I'm Paula from Tri-State Sewing Back, and I'm working around the blocks in this quilt. I'm doing like outline, I'm going to call it, and I go into the Pro Stitcher tab in Pro Stitcher. I have the Amara here, and in the Pro Stitcher there's a button on the ribbon that says record, and as I touch mark over here, it will help me go around this whole design, and then I'm going to record it. So I just continue to work myself around this design. I've got white thread on so it'll kind of blend in because I don't really want it to show, but it will give it dimension like after it's been used and washed, so it'll stay together nicely in the wash. We are Tri-State Sewing Back, and we service what we sell. Plus, we give a lifetime of free operational instructions with purchase. And we want to inspire you. We have something for every budget. And this Pro Stitcher with Handi Quilter just keeps getting sweeter and sweeter. They just recently did an update, and there's some really cool features in here. Every quilt is unique, and this is for a client. It's a baby quilt with Anita Goodesign. It's applique baseball babies, I think it's called. So I'm just trying to work my way around this without getting in the way of the camera. So once I'm done marking it, then I can push record, and I will also save it, because it's always good to save it before you stitch it. Okay, now I'm going to show you down here what I'm doing, because that makes a difference. I mean, to see the work in progress, but it's also nice to see what I'm actually marking. So that's as close as I can get with this one. I switched my lenses over because I thought I could get it better this way, but okay. So I've got just a little bit more. Now I'm gonna let you see what I'm doing here on the actual bear. So I'm just touching that same mark button, and once it becomes complete, so it's completely enclosed with the line, I'll swing it back up there so you can see what it looks like before I set it. I'm getting close here. I do have the glide foot on because there's texture on this fabric, and it glides over a lot better than any other foot would. I mean, it really makes it nice. Okay, one more here. Okay, actually, just, I think that's good. No. Okay, so I got that. Now I'm going to touch record and then file and save workspace. And I will call this baseball boy and save. And now I'm ready to sew it out. So stay tuned to more fun. I'm Paula at Tri-State Sewing Back, and we have a lot of fun, a lot of inspiration, and we have machines starting as low as $149. Plus, we also have a selection of reconditioned machines, too. We're a FOF dealer, and Handi Quilter is just wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.